Zhejiang Kaida Machine Tool Company Limited is situated in Zhuji City, Zhejiang Province. The predecessor Zhuji Machine Tool Works was founded in 1952. At present, it has around 800 staff and the total area is around 350,000 square meters. And the company has West City, East City, Shuangqiao 3 branches with a total space of 32 hectares. It has a full set of equipment including forging, machining, heat treating, sheet metal processing, assembling and painting with a production capacity of annual 15,000 sets of lathes. Through reformation in 1997, the company has been changed from a state-owned enterprise to a joint stock private enterprise. It has got ISO 9001 certificate in 1997, CE certificate in 1999, and ISO 14001 certificate in 2005. The research and development centers introduce advanced foreign technology. Meanwhile, also make great efforts to achieve technical renovation and develop market-oriented products. Specialized technicians in every field enable us to assist customers in use and learning. Efficient service earns more trust and loyalty from customers. The various products can meet different customers' needs. Horizontal machining centers, vertical machining centers, CNC vertical lathes, CNC slant bed lathes, CNC flat bed lathes, and conventional lathes. As an established company, professional competence and perfect service make us to exploit and develop the huge international marketing net. We have exported to over 100 countries. Our main markets are Europe, America, South America, India, Southeast Asia, South Africa. We are fully confident to meet any challenges or opportunities that present to us.